Oh boy, here it is. I love it. Hey boys, you guys got to check this out. Come over here, you guys.
Oh, dude.
Oh my God.
That's sick.
Oh snap! Let's get that on there.
Yeah.
Woo.
I like it. What do you guys think?
That's a big upgrade, dude.
Oh yeah,
We're official now.
100%.
That's a sick plate, man.
Yeah.
You're in the game now. Now we both have dyno plates.
Yeah, Bobby's got the Rex on his STI, so he gave me his blessings to have the Tyranis.
Yeah, man. As cool as that is, I think even cooler might be this front end. I gave you an
Nice.
overhaul.
Wow.
This is how I socially distanced this last couple weeks.
Yeah, I wasn't out here at all watching you, which
No.
was sad, but it came out sweet.
Yep. For those wondering, didn't catch it, we're good. Yeah, we're in business now, man.
It looks
I mean,
beefy.
It's beefy. I simplified some certain things. Your knuckles now, beefier.
Closed in, like yours.
Yep, closed them up like mine. Got the brand new custom tie rods in there, heavy duty steering rack, and supported your steering column a little better too.
No more play in here. Wow, that's solid.
No, and that needs to be tightened still. You can
Wow.
see it's still a little loose.
But way more. The other one was bad.
Yeah, it was nasty.
I was crying about it for a while in a few videos, so I think I'm back now.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we got to test it.
Right. Well, before we can test it, this is all just tack welded.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna have to go through and weld everything up. This is literally like episode 1 all over again. The piece de resistance at the moment is this new front end that we just finished yesterday.
Yeah.
I walked over here and I was like, all right, guys, we gotta weld it all up. We can get some welds on there and get this thing performing the way we want it to. And here we are, 19 episodes in.
But it's an upgrade. A
big upgrade.
nice upgrade.
Yeah,
So-
no, I had so much time to figure stuff out on my cart that by
Yeah.
the time we got here, I knew I was gonna be redoing it. Speaking of upgrades, we got an upgrade to our team today.
Yeah.
We have a B-cam. My boy Eric.
So Eric is taking a break from his busy days at the NBA to come and film with us and be a bit of an AC for the day.
We might even get a couple dunks out of him. We went to school with Eric, and he's been an avid watcher of the channel, and he's pretty handy with a camera, so we've been excited to get him out here.
Glad to be here, you know. Love the Tyranis boys. Give me one of those shirts soon, and I'll be back.
Are you ready to shoot some B-roll?
Let's get it done.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Should knock down a couple little edges. We're gonna be in business. All welded up, man.
Nice.
You got a front end now. Try it out.
I like you got it all squared up for me.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
No more nasty slop in there.
No, that is smooth.
Basically brought you up to speed to the red cart.
Nice.
Same kind of design, slightly different packaging, but almost the biggest part in a lot of ways. Just supporting this steering column, because that had a lot of play in it before.
I forgot, I didn't have that piece at all.
No, that's brand new.
This is beefy, where you connected it.
Yeah, that's my new little plate. I had to do that last night because, embarrassingly, I installed this steering rack like off 180 degrees. Big Bob came out here and I'm like, dude, check it out. Check out the steering, man. It feels so good. He goes, it's a little weird.
I turned the steering wheel this way and the wheels went that way. And I was like, what?
So at 9 o'clock at night last night, I re-embarked on my front end journey. But that's all right. You know, you make mistakes and here we are. Turn the wheels again. Let's just double check.
That's the way she should be.
All right, good. Well, let's back it out and test drive it, man.
Let's go.
Go ahead, Trey.
No, I got him.
All right, so we're fighting some rain. We got to make this one quick. Get in there. I'll start you up.
Eric, just keep it rolling.
Yep.
Tell me when.
Go ahead.
No, we gotta get the engineer in here. Come on. Dr. Frankenstein.
That's right.
It's perfect, man.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
You want to try, Eric?
Oh, I'm in.
All right, buddy. I'll trade you.
And this off.
Ooh. What is that? I think you dropped something, buddy.
Oh, thanks, bro.
How's it feel?
It was good.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm gonna have to send it again.
Quick rip on the street.
Yeah. Here you go, Eric. Well done, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, so out here where it's flat, steering feels good, right?
Hell yeah.
Next thing we gotta check out though is, let's go down to that little patch of trees down there. There's a bunch of roots and stuff, so it'll kind of be a little more uneven, and you'll get to feel if you're gonna have any of that jerk.
Sounds good.
And Parker's here.
park? Oh, why don't you park?
You want to do one?
I'm gonna give it to Trey to close it up. All right, Trey, your turn.
All right. Go, baby. Coming right at you, buddy.
You're a hero.
Yeah.
Skid marks.
I was shook. I was shook. This is cool. This is a different cart now. Whole different cart.
Here we go, Eric. Yeah.
Yeah, I told him to come around here and he was aiming straight for it.
Oh, shit. What was that?
Popping the brakes?
Nah, he busted a tie rod or something. Let's go see.
We got a tie rod issue.
At least he knows what he's talking about.
What'd you do to my cart? Dude, I think it was the flux capacitor.
Oh, it's the
no,
bolt.
It's just the bolt.
The bolt we were talking about.
Yeah, we're full on missing a bolt.
I'm really glad that happened when it did, because if you kept sending it like that,
Whew.
you were gonna
boy.
hit a tree.
Yeah, I almost did hit a tree.
Hey, let's give
let me
Sammy
give
some
this
room.
back. Hold on. There you go. Oh, what's up? Like and subscribe. There you go, Trevor.
Wow.
Okay. Whew. You sent it a little too hard.
A little bit too hard.
A little too hard, bud. Is that it? Huh? Is that the bolt right there?
Like, there's no way he busted a tie rod. And I was like, there's no way he locked the brakes up like that.
He almost hit a goddamn tree. I know that.
Yeah.
That was really close. Oh my god. I can see it from out there.
Okay, so I should probably stock up on lock nuts, but that's fine. Right? You're fine.
I'm fine. We're fine.
Everything's fine.
Fine?
It's fine. We found the hardware.
Yeah.
Big Bob, you want to do the honors?
Of?
Driving it back?
Yes. When Trey gets in here, you never know what's going down.
Got that right.
Turns on.
All right, boys, to the garage?
Yep.
Woo!
Hey!
What do you think? Better?
Yeah, 100%. I've been crying for like 3 videos.
He has been.
And it's been getting progressively worse. So this feels amazing now. Really nice.
Well, I mean, our old rack was largely made of plastic. There was duct tape involved. I don't even want to talk about it. This is much nicer. It bolts right in. Everything feels good. As long as we get some locking hardware on the tie rods,
That's it.
we'll pretty much be set. That was fun. It's good to get back out here, man.
Yeah, I know. I know.
It's been weird not shooting for 2 weeks.
Weird as hell.
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
No, I don't blame you, dude. I didn't like it either.
Trey almost took it out on a tree.
I know, Trey almost lost it today. You got too excited.
It was a close call,
Yeah.
but we pulled out of it.
Without that steering upgrade, you're in the tree right now.
I really would have been in the tree. I wouldn't have been sending it so hard.
So clearly, based on how hard you did send it, you must have been inspired with a decent level of confidence in this new system.
I was, honestly, dude, as soon as I took off,
Yeah.
the responsiveness was like this cart has never seen before.
Yeah.
You know, before it was more of like a
floating.
cruise. It was
Yeah.
floating.
That's a good point.
It was an entirely different cart and it felt really good. Well done, dude, because
Right there.
that's no joke. That's a lot of hard work right there. That is a no joke in front end. Bobby put crazy hours in there and
Yep.
it feels awesome.
Yeah. It didn't.
Well said.
It's a little busier than that one just because I figured out kind of everything I wanted to do by the time we had finished front end on that red cart, but we made this work. So.
Yeah, well, this one was a remodel too.
Right. Exactly. This is round 2 on this front end.
Right.
Bit of a retrofit.
Yeah, exactly.
And we had 2 angles today, which was tight. Thanks for coming through, Eric.
Yeah, glad to be here, guys. You know, I only rode the red cart before. Taking this bad boy out was just, a completely different ride. It was really cool to feel the difference. Hopefully I can get back up here soon.
Absolutely, dude. We got to get you out. It's been too fun.
Give me a call. I'll be up here, guys.
All right, man. We'll make it happen. All right. Next up, I think, is your brakes, maybe? Governor, maybe?
Those are the big questions, yeah. The brakes are serviceable.
Brakes are serviceable. The governor,
Yeah, I'm really warming up to the governor changeover.
yeah, it's a nice upgrade. You want to talk about this feeling like a brand new cart again?
Yeah.
The pep that you get out of that is nutty. Because right now, we're attributing some of it to the weight of this cart, but I honestly don't think the weight difference is as big of a deal as the governor. Because
Yeah.
the governor, just right out the gate, the cart wants to go. So that's going to be cool.
Nice.
All right, man, I think that's it for this one.
I think so.
Appreciate y'all for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing.
And hitting those notifications.
And we'll see you next time.
That's a cut.